This is how to fold a reflector or a diffuser. This technique works for everyone, but for me specifically, I have small female hands. The specific 32-inch 5-in-1 reflector has white, silver, gold, and black surfaces and one diffuser panel and is from Amazon, link down below. Place both hands at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock on opposite ends like a steering wheel. Which side faces you does not matter. You will be pulling on each side in the opposite direction. I'm right-handed and I find it easier to twist the left side forward away from the body and twist the right side back toward the body. As you twist the left hand or the non-dominant hand, that one should come lower towards your waist at 6 o'clock, and the right hand or your dominant hand should come higher towards your head at 12 o'clock. At the end, one hand should be at the top of the folded reflector and the other should be at the bottom. As a female photographer, I have small hands and am pretty short, so sometimes hugging the reflector or diffuser and almost curling in and bending the knees helps keep stability. Adjust to fit the bag, and I really do suggest always using a bag to prevent stains and tears. You can also extend your thumbs out along the reflector's edge for more control as you fold. Here are some clips of me folding from your perspective so you can place your hands like so. Another tip about how to fold a reflector is to make sure you open it away from your face and not against the wind and like this, lol. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you like it to help me out and watch my other photography tutorials for beginners to level up your brand visually.